Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive and free up space on your PC. As you can see, my C drive is almost full and there's very little free space left. So in this video, I'll show you a simple way to clear space and improve your system performance. So, let's get started. First of all, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. The Run dialog box will open. Now type Control and click OK. This will open the control panel. Next, click on Programs, and then click on Programs and Features. Here, you will see a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Now look for apps or software that you don't use anymore. For example, emulator apps like BlueStacks can take a lot of space. If you're not using them, simply right-click and click Uninstall. Go through the list and remove any unnecessary programs. Once you're done, go back and check your C drive. You will see that a lot of space has been freed up. And that's it! That's how you can easily clean your C drive and free up space on your PC.